Nestled in the heart of Punjab lies the quaint and picturesque town of Longowal. This hidden gem is often overshadowed by its more famous neighbours, but it holds a charm and significance all its own. Longowal stands as a testament to history and tradition. Its streets and buildings whisper tales of a bygone era, where every corner has a story to tell. This small town, often overlooked by travellers, is a treasure trove of cultural heritage and historical significance. Within its boundaries, Longowal holds stories of faith, sacrifice and progress. The people here, dressed in traditional attire, carry forward the legacy of their ancestors with pride. Its fertile lands have witnessed the rise and fall of empires, nurturing generations of farmers who have toiled the soil with dedication and love. The echoes of these empires resonate in its ancient shrines, where the faithful gather to offer their prayers and seek blessings. The rustling leaves of its ancient trees seem to whisper secrets of the past, standing as silent witnesses to the passage of time. To journey to Longowal is to step back in time, to immerse oneself in the rich tapestry of Punjab's soul. The village scenes and cultural heritage sites offer a glimpse into the region's vibrant past. The panoramic views of Longowal, especially during cultural festivals, are a sight to behold, showcasing the town's deep-rooted traditions and communal spirit. Longowal's history stretches back centuries, its fate intertwined with the ebb and flow of Punjab's tumultuous past. The ancient architecture stands as a testament to the town's resilience and enduring legacy. The scenic landscapes and historical landmarks of Longowal paint a picture of a town that has gracefully withstood the test of time. From the reign of Maharaja Singh, the founder of the Patiala dynasty, Longowal has been a witness to significant historical events. The monuments related to the Patiala dynasty are a reminder of the town's royal connections and its importance in the region's history. During the struggle for Indian independence, Longowal played a crucial role, with its residents actively participating in the movement. Longowal has borne witness to pivotal moments that have shaped the region's destiny, with historical artifacts and old photographs serving as a testament to its rich past. The historical landmarks and significant cultural events in Longowal continue to attract visitors, eager to learn about the town's storied past. Today, amidst the tranquility of its rural setting, Longowal offers a glimpse into a bygone era where the pace of life slows and the values of community and faith remain deeply rooted. The old buildings and traditional village life in Longowal are a testament to the town's enduring charm and cultural heritage. Here, the pace of life slows, allowing one to truly appreciate the simple joys and deep-rooted traditions that define this remarkable town. In Longowal, the values of community and faith remain deeply rooted, with local traditions and community gatherings playing a central role in the lives of its residents. At the heart of Longowal's spiritual life lies the revered Gurudwara Baba Ala Singh. This sacred site is not just a building, it is a living testament to the rich history and deep-rooted faith of the Sikh community. The Gurudwara stands as a symbol of unity and devotion, where people from all walks of life come together to find peace and solace. This sacred shrine, named after the founder of the Patiala dynasty, stands as a beacon of faith, drawing devotees from far and wide. The legacy of Baba Ala Singh is etched into the very fabric of this place, making it a cornerstone of spiritual life in the region. Every year, thousands of pilgrims make their way to this holy site, seeking blessings and spiritual rejuvenation. Its golden dome, shimmering under the Punjab sun, serves as a constant reminder of the enduring power of belief. The dome, visible from miles away, acts as a guiding light for those in search of spiritual enlightenment. It is a sight that fills the hearts of devotees with hope and reverence, reminding them of the divine presence that watches over them.
Within the Gurudwara's hallowed halls, the air is thick with incense and the sound of devotional hymns. The serene atmosphere inside the Gurudwara provides a perfect setting for introspection and prayer. The walls resonate with the soulful melodies of kirtans, creating an environment that is both calming and uplifting. Pilgrims gather here to offer prayers, seeking solace and guidance in their lives. The act of coming together in prayer fosters a sense of community and shared purpose. Each prayer, each offering, is a testament to the unwavering faith of the devotees who believe in the power of collective worship. The walls of the Gurudwara whisper tales of faith and sacrifice, echoing with the footsteps of countless devotees who have sought solace and inspiration within its sacred embrace. These walls have witnessed generations of worshippers, each leaving behind a piece of their spiritual journey. The intricate carvings and religious symbols adorning the walls serve as a visual narrative of the Gurudwara's storied past. The Gurudwara Baba Ala Singh is not just a place of worship, it is the spiritual heart of Longowal, a testament to the enduring power of faith in the lives of its people. It stands as a beacon of hope and a sanctuary for those seeking spiritual refuge. The Gurudwara's presence is a constant reminder of the strength and resilience of the Sikh community, and its role in preserving the cultural and spiritual heritage of the region.
Longowal's story is intricately woven with the life and legacy of Sant Harchand Singh Longowal, a towering figure in Sikh history. Born in the village that now bears his name, Sant Longowal rose to prominence as a leader of unwavering conviction and a staunch advocate for peace.
His leadership during turbulent times earned him the respect of his followers and the admiration of his adversaries. Sant Longowal's commitment to peaceful resolution and his unwavering belief in dialogue over violence left an indelible mark on the political landscape of India. His legacy continues to inspire generations, a testament to the power of peaceful resistance and the unwavering pursuit of justice.
In the heart of Longowal, amidst the tranquil fields and ancient shrines, stands a beacon of modern education, Sant Longowal Institute of Engineering and Technology, or SLIET. This esteemed institution, named after the revered Sant Harchand Singh Longowal, has played a pivotal role in transforming the region's educational landscape.
Since its inception, SLIET has been a catalyst for progress, providing quality education and fostering a spirit of innovation among its students. The Institute's commitment to academic excellence has earned it a reputation as a premier centre of learning, attracting bright minds from across the country.
SLIET stands as a testament to Longowal's commitment to progress, nurturing the next generation of engineers, scientists and entrepreneurs who will shape the future of India. Beyond its historical and spiritual significance, Longowal is a place of serene beauty where the landscape seems to whisper tales of tranquility and peace. Here, the rhythms of nature dictate the pace of life, creating a harmonious balance between man and the environment. Vast fields, painted in vibrant hues of green and gold, stretch as far as the eye can see, a testament to the region's agricultural heritage. These endless fields are not just a sight to behold, but also a lifeline for the local community, sustaining generations with their bounty. The agricultural heritage of Punjab is deeply rooted in these lands, where traditional farming methods are still practiced with pride.
The air is alive with the sound of birdsong, a melodious backdrop to the daily life of the villagers. The sight of peacocks dancing amidst the fields is a common sight, their iridescent plumage a dazzling spectacle against the backdrop of the Punjab countryside. These majestic birds, with their vibrant feathers, add a touch of magic to the already enchanting landscape.
The gentle breeze carries the scent of freshly tilled earth and blooming mustard fields, a sensory symphony that evokes a sense of tranquility and peace. This sensory experience is a reminder of the simple joys of rural life, where every breath is filled with the essence of nature. Longowal's natural beauty is a balm for the soul, offering a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life. It is a place where one can reconnect with the earth, find solace in the simplicity of rural life, and appreciate the timeless beauty of nature.
While Longowal offers a tranquil escape, those seeking to delve deeper into Punjab's rich history and culture will find a treasure trove of attractions within easy reach. The historic city of Sangrur, with its magnificent palaces and ancient forts, lies just a stone's throw away, offering a glimpse into the region's royal past.
Further afield, the princely city of Patiala beckons with its grand architecture, vibrant bazaars and legendary hospitality. From the intricate frescoes of the Sheesh Mahal to the bustling stalls of Adalat Bazaar, Patiala offers a sensory overload, a vibrant tapestry of history, culture and commerce.
A visit to Longowal can be easily combined with excursions to these nearby cities, providing a comprehensive experience of Punjab's diverse offerings. Longowal is more than just a destination, it is an experience, a journey into the heart of rural Punjab. Whether seeking spiritual solace, historical insights, or simply a respite from the hustle and bustle of city life, Longowal offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Come wander through the sacred halls of Gurudwara Baba Ala Singh, feel the weight of history at the memorials to Sant Harchand Singh Longowal, and lose yourself in the tranquility of the countryside. Experience the warmth of the local hospitality, savor the flavors of traditional Punjabi cuisine, and witness the timeless beauty of rural life. Longowal beckons, promising an enriching and unforgettable journey into the heart of Punjab's soul.